Yeah. So, yeah, Kavya. बाकी सबके वीडियो ऑफ है क्या? Kavya, why can't I see it in the maximized mode? Your
मैम माइन इज ऑन ओनली.
हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है. हाँ, ठीक है. Yes. So, in the last lecture, I had explained a problem using tabular method. Okay, for regular Fosse, and the problem was x cube minus 5x plus 3. And we had tried for the interval 0, 1. I had explained you that being an odd degree polynomial, there is at least one real root. It's gone, Kavya, again. Huh.
मैम
Is it difficult for you to hold it like this, Kavya?
No मैम इट्स फाइन.
Okay, just a minute. Let me admit. Yeah. So I was talking about this problem, and I had explained you that this is an odd degree polynomial. So there is at least one real root, and we calculated one real root in the interval 0, 1, right? And we saw that there is one more root in the interval 1, 2 as well. And therefore, two real roots we are getting. That means the third root also must be real. So all the roots are real. So those who want to practice this problem, they can try for the third root. They can try for another interval also. Okay. So here I had asked you to complete the problem for the interval 1, 2. So let us see what Kavya has done. So f of 1, if you put x is equal to 1, the value is minus 1. And if you put x is equal to 2, the value of function, that is fx, is 8 plus 3, 11 minus 10 is plus 1. So we observe that we are getting a pair of points A and B such that FA and FB have opposite signs. Okay, and therefore we can say that there is one real root in the interval 1, 2. At least one real root. Okay, please make the correction, Kavya. There is at least one real root in the interval 1, 2. Yeah.
Yes.
So we are retaining with this now. So let us see, Kavya, your table. So in the table, we started with, we had 6 columns. Okay. First column is A, second is B, third column is f of A, fourth column is f of B. X is equal to, the formula of regular falsi is A star FB minus B star FA upon FB minus FA. Please put bracket for FB minus FA. Please put bracket for FB minus FA, the total thing. Yeah, and in the numerator also put bracket for A star FB. First of all, FB के बाद और एक bracket डालो, minus bracket B star FA, right? And put one more bracket now at the end, numerator के, and in the beginning of the numerator. Yes, why I am insisting to put these brackets? Any idea, Kavya? Why I am insisting to put brackets?
मैम कैलकुलेशन एरर.
Calculations तो है, but when we will write a program for regular falsi, that time we have to be very, very careful regarding the brackets. If you don't put brackets correctly, then you will not get correct answer. Or sometimes the program itself will not get executed. Okay.
Okay मैम.
So this is your fifth column, the answer of x, and this is what is your answer column. If you don't understand, please do write at the top, x के ऊपर लिखो, सर के ऊपर आंसर कॉलम करके लिखो. अभी काव्या, x के ऊपर लिखो आंसर कॉलम, x के ऊपर, not fx. because many times students are confused whether the answer is this column or the last column, and everything goes wrong. They replace fx in place of x, कुछ भी कर देते हैं. हाँ, तो ऐसी गलतियां होती है हमेशा. कंफ्यूजन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है. So when you will practice, these will be avoided. And the last column is fx. That means the value of x you have to put again in f, check its sign, and accordingly you replace a or b by x. So here you can observe, पहली जो वैल्यू है a की, पूरा दिखाओ. a की जो वैल्यू है that is 1, b की जो वैल्यू है that is 2. fa value we calculated as -1, fb as +1. And when you put these values in the formula, first column into fourth column, देखो 1 into 1 that is 1, minus 2 into -1 that is minus of -2, that is +2 हो गया वो. So 1 plus 2 divided by fb minus fa. fb is +1, fa is -1, so 1 minus -1, that becomes +2. So 3 upon 2, the answer is 1.5. Okay, the answer is 1.5. Now when you put, open your notebook, Kavya, when you put x value, when you put x value in the given function x cube minus 5x plus 3, so 1.5 का cube plus 3, 1.5 का cube कितना आता है? और
-3.375.
minus 3.375, and minus 5 into 1.5 is that is 7.5 ना. हाँ, माइनस नहीं, एक्स क्यूब 1.5 का क्यूब पॉजिटिव आएगा, and minus 5 into 1.5 will be minus 7.5. So the answer is minus 1.125. This is negative. अभी fx का आंसर निगेटिव आया है. अभी fa या fb किसका आंसर निगेटिव था? देखो, हमें एक पॉजिटिव एक निगेटिव आना चाहिए. fa निगेटिव है, fb पॉजिटिव है. Now fx is again negative. So Poonam Verma, are you there? Poonam Verma, are you there? Poonam Verma. सब लोग अपने अपने घर पे हंस रहे होंगे. रिद्धि, आर यू देयर? रिद्धि कवड़े. यस रिद्धि, आर यू देयर?
यस मैम.
हाँ बोलो. तो अभी एफ ए निगेटिव है, एफ बी पॉजिटिव है, एंड एफ एक्स निगेटिव है. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू? I should replace a by x or b by x. हमें क्या चाहिए रिद्धि? What do we want?
Ma'am, I was not there for the last lecture.
Why? You were practicing your
Ma'am,
dance?
no ma'am, network issue. I had gave the message also.
So Pratiksha Burge, are you there? प्रतीक्षा.
यस मैम.
हाँ प्रतीक्षा बोलो, क्या करना चाहिए? We should replace a by x or b by x. fa is negative, fb is positive, fx is negative.
Yes.
काव्या दिखाओ
FB is
तुम्हारा.
positive.
तुमने देखा क्या आंसर? मुझे बताओ.
नहीं.
तुम क्या कर रही हो? आर यू देयर इन द लेक्चर? प्रतीक्षा बुर्गे, आर यू देयर इन द लेक्चर?
यस मैम.
हाँ. सो तुमने क्यों नहीं देखा? क्या कर रही हो तुम? सी देखो, आप छोटे स्कूल के बच्चे नहीं हो, ऐसे मैं पूछूंगी। काव्य, तुम्हारा आंसर तुम्हारा
Replaced by
आंसर क्यों
X.
नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे?
मैम द वीडियो
मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा, वो बहुत ब्लर है।
नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन नीचे अभी जो बड़ा वीडियो आता है वो क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? जब तुम बोलोगी तब दिखेगा। यू स्पीक समथिंग, काव्या, otherwise I will have to make you. Nobody else's video is on, no?
No, ma'am.
Which participant do you want to log the video on? Kavya. Okay. All of you take your notebook and pen. I am not solving this. Kavya's video, why can't I show? I don't know. काव्या, तुम एक बार क्लिक करो जरा तुम्हारे वीडियो पे, so that it will be maximized.
Ma'am, if she speaks, then only the video is visible in maximum way.
काव्या, कुछ बोलो प्रॉब्लम के बारे में।
Is it visible?
हाँ हाँ, ओके। नाउ सी, सो काव्या तुम बोलते रहो और मेरे साथ, हाँ। सो
Yes.
सी, replace as fx is negative and fa is also negative, then there will be no root in this interval. अभी 1,2 जो बड़ा इंटरवल था उसका हमने एक पॉइंट ढूंढा है और यहाँ पे कोइंसिडेंटली वो मिड पॉइंट आया है। हर बार मिड पॉइंट नहीं आएगा, ओके। So 1.5 is my first approximation to the exact root, I can say. And you have to make sure that your answer must be there in between A and B. So आपका जो आंसर आया है 1.5, that lies between 1 and 2. Now I will skip some portion of the interval. 1,2 जो मेरा इंटरवल है उसका मैं कौन सा पोर्शन स्किप करूंगी? 1 to 1.5 स्किप करूंगी. That means I am replacing A by X. Because fa is also negative and fx is also negative, so there is no root in the interval 1, 1.5. अभी मेरे पास दो इंटरवल्स है. I have two intervals now. One sub interval is 1 to 1.5 and the other sub interval is 1.5, 2. And therefore 1 to 1.5 ये जो पोर्शन है that I am deleting. So यहाँ पे देखो सेकेंड स्टेप में आपको दिख रहा है a की जगह पे, मतलब 1 की जगह पे 1.5 लिखा गया है and b is retained as 2. Now fa is replaced by the latest fx value which is in the last column in the previous row, minus 1.125. So आपको कुछ करने की दिक्कत है क्या काव्या? आपको सिर्फ एक बार वो x और fx कैलकुलेट करना है और वही आपको नीचे लिखना है, ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली। FB you already have calculated 1, तो वो वापस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। FB मतलब वापस कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं, you just repeat that. Now again you have a whole new set of A, B, FA and FB. Now you put everything in the formula. So 1.5 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1.125. The whole thing divided by 1 minus 1.125. Okay. And I will of course solve this on Scilab in front of you if I can show you लेट मी चेक इफ आई कैन शो यू साइलैब में ये आंसर दिखा सकती हूँ क्या. तो ये आंसर निगेटिव आ रहा है. विपाशिनी, यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर. You have also solved this problem. Bipashini?
Yeah, ma'am.
You are getting the same answers. So one by one you have to go on replacing. So you can see the first answer is 1, 1, 2. पहला x के कॉलम में जाओ. पहला आंसर 1.5, दूसरा है 1.68. सो यहाँ पे डेसिमल के पहला नंबर तो सेम ही आएगा 1. डेसिमल के बाद का नंबर चेंज हो रहा है. देखो पहले 0.5 था, फिर 0.6 हुआ, देन इट बिकेम 0.80, देन इट बिकेम 0.82. So what can you say about the third and fourth approximation? Kavya, what
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
say about third and fourth approximation? Can you say that it is correct up to 1 decimal place? Because पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट आ रहा है वो रिपीट हो रहा है 88, है ना. ऑफ कोर्स पॉइंट के पहले वाला आंसर भी सेम होना चाहिए 1, 1. अगर वो 1 है और नीचे का 2.8 आ रहा है तो गलत है. ओके okay, 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 let it be, Kavya. Now I will just try to show you the same problem. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will just check whether I can. I'll just increase the volume. I can show you. Let me just start the screen sharing.
Ma'am, should I close my video?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you can see I have written a very small code, Scilab. Okay. Okay, so I have taken the same function x cube minus 5x plus 3, and this we are going to see in the practical how to write the code and all. Now I'm executing that in front of you. Okay. Yeah, you can see the path. I'm back on the console, and can you see my console?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no
Yes,
error,
ma'am.
and that's why the path is shown. And now my function, x cube minus 5x plus 3, same function I'm taking, and I'm trying the same interval. F of 1 was minus 1, then f of 2 is 1. Okay, you want me to increase the font of this? It's okay.
No, ma'am.
It's okay now.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So f of 1 is minus 1, f of 2 is plus 1. Therefore, we know that root lies in the interval 1, 2. Now I am just trying 1, 2, say 5. अभी काव्या ने कितने आंसर्स ढूंढे थे? 4. तो लेट अस सी उसके और ये आंसर्स मैच होते हैं क्या. काव्या, your second answer is wrong, that means.
Which one?
You are going towards 1.8. All of you can see the answers. पहला आंसर है 1.5, दूसरा है 1.76, तीसरा है 1.8. x cube minus 5x plus 3 ही लिया था ना.
68.
Huh?
It is 1.68 for the second approximation.
No, but as the program is correct, okay, the logic is correct. fa star fzi लेस देन 0 है तो b को रिप्लेस करो zi से, else a को रिप्लेस करो zi से. So everything is correct here. So there is no problem in my program. So you please check the calculations.
Ma'am, I had calculated manually also on Calc-C also, scientific one.
I was so going wrong in every step, ma'am. You know that. I calculated many
नहीं, अभी
times.
देखते हैं ए एफ बी क्या होता है. ए क्या है हमारा, अभी 1.5 को लेके देखती हूँ मैं. एफ ऑफ 1.5 क्या आता है देखती हूँ एक मिनट. एफ ऑफ 1.5 आपका क्या आया, ये आया ना, ये करेक्ट है. -1.125 ये करेक्ट है ना. अभी
Yes,
हमें
ma'am.
क्या करना है, ए इंटू एफ बी. तो वी आर रिप्लेसिंग 1 बाय 1.5. हाँ, तो मेरा ए है, सो 1 इंटू 1 आएगा, सॉरी 1.5 इंटू 1 आएगा, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
1.5 इंटू 1 आएगा. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर ए इंटू एफ बी. हाँ,
Yes,
ए
ma'am.
इंटू एफ बी माइनस व्हाट इज बी, बी की वैल्यू है 2 एंड व्हाट इज एफ बी, माइनस
FA.
1.125, राइट.
B into FA, ना?
हाँ, तो एफ
हाँ.
ए लिखा ना, माइनस 1.125.
Hmm.
A is 1.5 ना,
Yes, ma'am.
and the whole thing divided by what, FB minus FA. FB कितना है 1 minus 1.125, right.
Hmm.
So ये आ रहा है 1.764. देखो वही आया ना जो सेकंड आंसर है.
Hmm.
तो आपका कैलकुलेशन देखो एक बार, ये क्या होगा, 1.5 होगा एंड 2 इंटू माइनस 1.125 कितना आता है, 2 इंटू माइनस 1.125 is minus 2.25. So 1.5 माइनस प्लस आता है वो, प्लस 2.25. ये आ गया कितना, 3.75. 3.75 देखो ये आंसर है आपका. आंस डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 1.125 मतलब 2.125. देखो सही है, सब करके दिखाया मैंने आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो यू प्लीज चेक योर कैलकुलेशंस. एंड अगर इसी अर्ली स्टेज में आप कैलकुलेशन गलत करते हो तो आपके आगे के अप्रोक्सीमेशंस गलत हो जाएंगे और 5 मार्क्स से सिर्फ आपको 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. एक आपको मिलेगा फॉर्मूला के लिए और एक पहले आंसर के लिए. ओके,
Okay.
straight away your 3 marks will be cut. So please remember. Now I am just trying to show you कितने आते हैं आंसर्स. देखते हैं, देखो कि कहाँ से रिपीट होता है. देखो पहला आंसर है 1.5. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी दिस. 10 approximations, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, first is 1.5, second is 1.7, third is 1.8, देन 1.8 ही हो रहा है. मतलब आपका जो पोर्शन है आगे का, ए रिप्लेस हो रहा है हमेशा, बी वैसे के वैसा रह रहा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इफ यू सी 1.8341 सिक्स्थ अप्रोक्सीमेशन देखो, 1.834195 एंड सेवेंथ अप्रोक्सीमेशन इज 1.834. सो यहाँ पे आंसर करेक्ट आ रहा है पहले 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक. देन 7 to 8 देखो, 1.8342 1.8342. So answer is correct up to 4 decimal places. Now 8th and 9th approximation देखो, answer is correct up to 5 decimal places. And last में देखो 9th and 10th approximation 1.834243, and 1.8342432. So answer is correct up to 6 decimal places, which can be considered as a very good accuracy. Okay, and if you see, अगर मैं ये आंसर डालती हूँ, मेरा लास्ट आंसर 1.8342432, if I substitute this in x cube minus 5x plus 3, तो मेरा फंक्शन का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? देखो, समथिंग इंटू 10 raised to minus 8. समथिंग इंटू 10 raised to minus 8 मतलब क्या? पॉइंट के बाद 7 times 0 और ये आंसर आएगा. सो इफ आई क्लीन दिस आंसर, ये क्लीन नहीं हो रहा है इसमें, लेट इट बी, बट this is 7.9 into 10 raised to minus 8. Can you imagine? It is 0.7 times 0 and 798. Means what? It is almost 0. Yes or no? Girls, are you getting it? Anyone can unmute herself and tell me whether this you can see, whether you understand or not.
For that 1.768, we are getting again 1.68 only.
करके दिखाया ना रे.
Again I calculated.
I will calculate it manually. Okay, I will check it. But I don't see any problem in my program. There is nothing wrong. I have done a star fb minus b star fa upon fb minus fa. If fa star fzi is less than 0, then b is zi else. I have not done anything wrong. So, and यहाँ पे भी मैंने आपको करके दिखाया अभी. So, मैं मैन्युअली करके देखती हूँ एक बार, and I will put it on the Moodle then, okay, the solution. Huh? Yeah. How much time is left? How much time is left? Hmm?
5 minutes, ma'am. 5 minutes.
39. और मैंने एक बात ऑब्जर्व की है, when I generate the attendance, I have observed that some people are logging in at the beginning of the lecture and they are attending only for 2 to 3 minutes. सब लोग वीडियो पे आ जाओ जरा, वीडियो पे आ जाओ. All of you.
Ma'am.
हाँ, सब लोग वीडियो पे आ जाओ. Let me just take the screenshot.
Hello, ma'am.
Just a minute. Let me complete my things. सब लोग वीडियो पे आ गए क्या? अदिति महाले, या. Let me just take the screenshot. See, documentation is a very important part now here. Okay. Pictures. Yeah. Next. एक मिनट ना. अवंतिका, भक्ति, दर्शनी, yeah. So what I was telling you girls, कि when I generate the attendance, I have observed that some people are logging in the beginning. You will always give me the same reason. Network issue. Network issue इतना भी नहीं ये होता है. Some people are logging in at the end of the lecture. So those who are attending for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm not putting your attendance. Okay? I'm straight away making you absent in that lecture if you are there for throughout the timing. Okay? और मुझे समझ में आता है 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 49 minutes का मेरा लेक्चर है, तो जितना मैक्सिमम है 40 minutes का तो आपको अटेंड करना ही चाहिए. हाँ, 1-2-4 मिनट आपको लगते हैं, ठीक है. आई ऑलवेज वेट फॉर यू ऑल. पहले 5 मिनट तो सबके वेट करने में ही जाते हैं, एडमिट करने में जाते हैं. इट्स ओके इफ यू लेट ज्वाइन, but you have to be there throughout the lecture. Okay? Don't take these lectures easily. Please do the work, whatever is given. I am putting a homework today. On the Moodle, I am going to put the solved problem solution, and I am putting the homework also. And I want this homework to be submitted by Saturday on regular policy. Okay? Is that clear? Yes. And in the next lecture, I am starting Newton-Raphson method then. Okay? Yeah, so I think we can stop now. If you don't solve, you will never understand numerical methods. You have to solve on your own. Do not copy your friend's solution. Actually do it. And Bipashini and Kavya, please do the calculations again. If you all can see, I'm showing you the answers again. You can take the screenshot. ये आंसर ले लो. देखो ये आंसर से आपके इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो आप. Can you see that? I have to share it again. Wait. Yeah. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Take screenshot of this answer and check whether you are getting these answers or not. And if you are still getting what Bipashini and Kavya have got, I will also check this problem. Okay?
Ma'am,
See, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, Bipashni and Kavya are getting at the second stage 1.68 now,
Yeah.
and I am getting 1.7857. So is that okay?
1.7857.
Yes.
7-8 नहीं, यहाँ पे 7-6 आ रहा है. देखो एक बात मैं बताती हूँ आप सबको, कैलकुलेटर पे राउंड ऑफ मत करो आंसर सब. कैलकुलेटर पे 6 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक के आंसर आपको कंसिडर करने हैं. हाँ, कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस? 6. मतलब अगर कोई आंसर आ रहा है 1.58933764, तो आपको वो पूरा 1.58796 तक लेना है. आप सिर्फ 1.58 लोगे तो दैट विल give you a bigger error in your further calculations. So 1.58 इतना ही लेना है और कैलकुलेशन करना है, ऐसे मत करो. 6 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक के आंसर्स हमें चाहिए. ओके, तब जाके आपका जो फाइनल आंसर होगा एग्जाम में, उसकी मेरी और आपकी मतलब सेम जब एक्यूरेसी देखी जाएगी तो वो 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक होगी. So you please retain with 6 decimal places answers as you are using calculators, scientific calculator. It's not a big deal, okay, to use those many digits. ठीक है? Can we stop, girls, now? Okay. So we will meet in the next lecture as per the new timetable again. Please see and accordingly please join my room. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.